So what I did was I just undid these, I heat shrinked them and soldered them back on there. And if I'm really worried about it, I just fill it with hot glue. But so I was looking at the manual and I see that the two radios, this speaker here, it uses pins 1 and 2. The other one uses 3 and 4 for the audio, and like 1 in the center for the patch. So we're not going to be able to do that, but what we can do is, here are two choices. This is, I want to keep this factory for this so that nothing will ever be a problem. This one here, apparently, even though it looks really wacky and poorly done, we can either move these and copy what's on the 901, or you can just leave them right here. It would just take a little cord and solder a cord to the speaker input to this brown wire here, and just retain this as it is. And I think since we have these convenient vent holes in the back, I think that's what we're going to do. I don't really want to booger with this. I'm curious why this wire is removed. But, you know, I don't like how they have, like, these things that only work with DIN plugs. So, these are almost absolutely opposite of how the other one is. They are on the other side of it. This one and this one for the speaker, and then that one. I don't know why they did it that way, but they did. So I'm going to probably solder this back on here. I don't know why it's removed. Nobody's ever going to use this for a phone patch, but I like to have my stuff, like, if I want to use it for a phone patch, I can, you know. I know there's a way to do like a phone patch with cell phone, and I know there's probably a time and a place for that, but you know, I think actually it'd probably be more likely to be happening some other type of way. But at any rate, I guess this is correct. It looks boogered, but maybe, I don't know. I mean, like, I just can't believe they would solder that like that at the factory. It's really bad. So I'm running out of room again. I'm going to take this over here and solder it. Alright, well, we got that soldered back in here, so now we'll just get some wires and let's see if I can find a cord. Now, I'm going to use the mono plug because even though I have extras of these others, I've run into problems with some of these radios where, I don't know, for whatever reason, they just don't work with a stereo plug. So just gonna keep it simple.
Yeah, I'm gonna head down the man and go see if I can pester somebody down there. Whiskey 2 Hotel Foxtrot, out of here.
We got it wired up.
7-3 off, have a good night.
I'm trying to find my cleaner so I can clean it before I put it back together. And like I said, I got this one. I put some hot glue in there. I don't know. Anyway, I don't really think the speaker sounds all that great.
You're better than 20, but not 25. All right. All right, now there's a grand. There's all 1100, almost 1200 right there. There, 25. Thank you. Yeah, it might be 30.
I might actually see if I can squeeze that speaker in next to my 710, since I don't have my 102 out here.
Yeah, you're 10 over up here. Good shape.
The 102 is over here, though. Anyway, I can't find something, which is nothing new, but I think these speakers are about the same size, but this one sounds better. Anyway, we learned something today. They're not the same, even though the plug interchanges.